Hi everybody, we're back with our impactful person container, and I have my paper that I had filled out. Here is my sculpture that I made, and now it is bisqueware instead of greenware, and I'm going to be addressing this part of my sculpture with paint, and I'm going to be doing anything that's skin, or I'm going to be addressing this part of my sculpture with glaze, and anything that's skin is going to be painted on. I'm going to paint this, paint the back of that, so I don't really need that right now. I'm just working with this today. So I have my sketch of this, and I want to find some glazes that are going to be okay. So I'm going to have jet black that I'm working with, and that's going to be in the pupils. Okay, I'm going to have opaque white, and that's going to be for all the hair. It's going to be for the whites of the eyes, and the hat is going to be chocolate. Okay, so there's my glaze plan. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to glaze this. Now I have rinsed this off under the water so the glaze will stick to it. And I've got some brushes here of different sizes, and of course my table paper. And the glaze should match, the lid should match what it says on the bottle. And I want to just shake it up with my finger on the lid and then unscrew this, and if it won't come off, just bang it a little bit on the table to loosen that glaze up and find a strong friend. Okay, so I'm going to start by applying 2 thick coats of glaze to all of his beard right here. Okay, so I'm getting a generous amount, that means a lot, of glaze. And I'm just going over all of his hair because I want his hair to be white. This is a older Leonardo da Vinci in his elder years. Okay, I'm just gonna go all the way up where his hair would go.